Welcome to Anisha Art Gallery, a fun world of art, colors, and creativity. Today, we're going to draw this adorable cartoon rabbit with big ears and a happy smile. It's super easy and fun, perfect for kids and beginners. So grab your pencil, eraser, and colors, and let's start drawing. First, draw a big circle for the head. Don't worry about making it perfect. Next, draw two long oval shapes on top of the head for the ears. Make one ear straight up and tilt the other one slightly. That makes it look cuter. See? It's already starting to look like a bunny. Let's bring this rabbit to life. Draw two big round eyes right in the middle of the face. Add a small white circle inside each eye to show the sparkle. Now, draw a tiny triangle for the nose. Color it pink. Below the nose, make a small curve for the mouth and another curve below for a smile. Add two whiskers on each side. Rabbits always look cute with whiskers. Now it's time to draw the body. From the bottom of the head, draw two curved lines going down and round them off. That's the rabbit's body. Add two small paws in front, like it's sitting nicely. Then draw the back leg as a big oval curve behind, soft and fluffy. Finally, add a small round tail at the back. Start coloring the body with light cream. Add light pink inside the ears. Color the eyes black with a small white sparkle. Use soft pink on the cheeks. Keep the belly, paws, and tail white. Add light brown shading around the edges for depth. And that's it. Our cute little bunny is all done. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cute drawings. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep drawing and keep smiling. Bye-bye.